Welcome to another Lawn Fawn video. Today I am so excited to introduce our brand new perfectly pink mini notebooks. These mini notebooks are absolutely adorable. They come in packs of two. It says these notebooks come in packs of two, one for me and one for you. And the idea is that you can give one to a friend and keep one for yourself and kind of do a random act of kindness and just make somebody smile. So there are two different styles of notebooks in this pack. You'll see we have this cute little polka dot and then a gingham, and the insides of both of the notebooks are different too. The polka dotted notebook has these really cute hearts at the top. It's almost like a little string or garland of hearts, and they are just so sweet and adorable. And I love that there's lines on the inside so you can write little notes. I do lists, I do things that I need to remember to do each day, kind of like a little to-do list every day, and it's super cute to look at. So I just love these little notebooks so much. And then we have our gingham notebook, and on the inside of the gingham notebook there are these adorable little smiling hearts in the corners, and then the lines have little dots. You can see just how cute those little hearts are. And while you're writing your little to-dos, now you've got little hearts smiling at you, so they're so happy and cute. They're cute little Valentine's Day gifts, even gifts for a kid's class or something like that. I just think they're just so happy and fun, perfect to just put in a little purse. I always have one in the desk drawer because I can write down little notes and things that I'm thinking of. Here's a comparison of the inside of both of the notebooks, and then here is a look at the outside of that cute little pink gingham and pink polka dots. They're just so happy and fun. Next up, we have a brand new type of product that I am so excited about, and that's these adorable cotton tote bags. They are so sweet. They're made here in the USA and screen printed in the USA. They're 15.5 inches by 15.5 inches, and then that strap is 12 3/4 inches. So they're a really, really great size. First up, we have one of my favorite stamp sets of all time, and that's the Hedgehog stamp set. And so we've got that cute little Hedgehogs design, that great long strap, which is nice and sturdy, and then here you can see the rest of the bag with that adorable screen printed hedgehogs on there. Here we have the You're Just My Type tote. You're going to recognize this typewriter from the brand new stamp set. He's so cute and adorable. The bag is the same size, 15.5 inches by 15.5, and the handle is the 12 3/4. You see just how cute this bag is. It's just fun and adorable. And here you can see the inside. It's nice and big, which I really, really love. You can really fit a lot in there. For example, you can fit a laptop in there. So this is actually my 15-inch laptop, and it fits right inside. So I love that because I bring my laptop back and forth between home and work all the time, and now I can do it with a super, super cute bag. So I love that that fits perfectly in there. It's also really great for things like snacks, which I'm also bringing from home to work all the time because I'm always eating snacks. So here's just a bunch of snacks we had here in the office, and you can see how you can just keep filling up the bag with stuff. It's great for grocery shopping, so it's a nice reusable tote for that too, which I really love. It'd be great to put all your kids' toys in if you were bringing your kid to grandma's or something like that. It's just a cute little bag you can see there. Another thing that these tote bags are great for are crafting supplies. Of course, I'm going to put a bunch of stamps and dies in there. If you're going to go craft with a friend or go to a little crafty retreat or something, you can grab all of your favorite things. I'm going to put some notebooks in there so I can give them out to my friends. I'm also going to add in some Copic markers, tape runner, glue, a stamp chamois case, anything that I can think of that I might need for a fun crafting day. I am so in love with these tote bags, and I hope that you guys are too. They are just so much fun. Now here we have some really cute ideas by Shari on how to decorate these cute little notebooks, and this is a really great gift to give someone. So right now she's trimmed down a piece of cardstock, and she's going to be trimming it to 3.5 inches wide, which is how wide those notebooks are. And we're going to be turning this notebook into a little recipe book. So we're going to stamp out the Baked with Love sentiment from the Baked with Love stamp set, which is an oldie but a goodie. It's one of my favorites. And we'll stamp that out in some gray ink on that cream piece of paper. Then we went ahead and stamped, colored, and die cut a bunch of images from Baked with Love. And we're going to layer that onto that cream piece of cardstock, and you can see just how cute this little scene is turning out. Next, we're going to use Smitty's ABCs to stamp out the word recipes. I love these little letters because you can create custom titles just like this one. So first up, we're going to add some liquid glue to the back of that whole scene so we can add that onto the front of the notebook. And then we can go ahead and stamp out that recipe's title. So we'll stamp that right above. And there's only one capital E in that stamp set, so now we can just go ahead and stamp the second E right in there to fill out recipes and add some tiny little hearts all around, which are so cute with that little pink gingham in the background. This is such a cute idea. It would make the sweetest little gift. So another idea for decorating is actually inspired by that new Hedgehugs tote bag. So Shari saw that tote bag and thought, how cute would this be as a design on the front of the notebook? So we're going to take some of that fall fling paper, which looks cute for all year round, and we're going to die cut a stitched heart from that. We're also going to be die cutting a little sentiment banner there out of some white cardstock. This sentiment banner is from the Fancy Folded Banner, so it has these really cool score lines on either side that give it this three-dimensional folded banner look, which is going to be super cute on the front of this notebook. So next up, we're going to selectively stamp just the hedgehogs from the stamp set. So instead of the sending hedgehogs, it's just going to say hedgehogs, just like the tote bag. Then to fill in the rest of the banner, we're going to stamp two little hearts on either side in some guava ink, and I love the look of the pink and the dark gray together. We're going to add liquid glue to the back of that heart and then some thin foam squares to the back of that banner just to give it a little bit of pop. Last but not least, it's time to add on our cute little hedgehogs, and they're just so adorable. So we'll add those on with liquid glue as well right into that heart, and that little hedgehog's banner is kind of like the little ground that they're standing on. For a finishing touch, we're going to die cut a heart out of some guava cardstock and add that between the hedgehogs and add some glitter, because really, what's a cute notebook without some glitter, right? So we'll add some glitter right to that heart, and now this little notebook is done. Again, another little gift either for someone else or even for yourself. So super cute, and I love how easy these are to decorate with stamps and dies. I can't wait to hear what you guys think about these awesome, cute little notebooks and our brand new tote bags. I hope you guys absolutely love them. I also wanted to thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you have an absolutely amazing day. Bye!